Now we are in Triberg Museum. This place is full of various wooden instruments and other artifacts created by the local population several hundreds of years ago. It has a lot of history inbuilt in this museum. The best part here is wall clocks. Wall clocks are famous in this area. This is a mannequin about making of wall clocks. These are various clocks, each and every clock having its own uniqueness, its own flavor. They're still working. That's really wonderful. Of course, they're showing different times, but they're still working. They're actually taking us back to the time. This is an excellent masterpiece of olden times. Older times clock. It's an ancestral one, and some of these clocks are making cuckoo sounds. These are various parts used in making these clocks. Let's go further and explore some more. This seems like a symphony orchestra masters mannequin. Berlin. Not sure what these are, since they're in German, which I can't understand. They look like dot matrix printer parts, but they're not. Yeah. Here, the flooring, the roof of this building is made of wood. Yeah, both the roof and the flooring, both are made of wood. Musical clocks. Between 1750 and 1850, musical clocks were to be found only in the homes of the wealthy. Their melodies were heard every hour and could be played at other times as well. A few Black Forest clockmakers specialized in the production of such clocks, primarily built of wood. These clocks were an affordable alternative to the musical clocks from abroad. Flute-playing clocks were the most popular in this time. They are built with small organ works. Bellows generate the necessary air for the wooden and metal pipes. There are also chiming clocks with metal or glass bells, and dulcimer clocks in which the strings are struck by small leather hammers. All these clocks have in common wooden cylinders with metal pins that make the mechanical strings and came swinger that opens the pipe valves.